Hello everyone, welcome to Nifty and Bank Nifty Derivatives Indicator. So in this video, I'm going to discuss how they perform today, the two indicators that I have made to predict Nifty and Bank Nifty. So before going to that, let's go to the tweets that I have made today. So as you can see, yesterday at around 2:19 p.m. I tweeted that I was shorting 17,200, 17,300 and 17,400 on the put side, and 17,600 and 17,700 on the call side, and all expired worthless, and I made at around 5.79% of my capital. Now that was the update I made yesterday, but today, as you can see here, that is the first update. So when Nifty was going down, but it suddenly was coming up, and the score of the Nifty derivatives indicator was increasing. So I warned everyone that the writers at 17,500, their stop loss can be 100. So that I made at around 12:31, where you can see that at around 12:31. So yeah, this is the candle 12:30. So 12:31 at around here, I warned that stop loss hunting can happen, and then after that you saw that there was some stop loss hunting, and yeah, so here you can see that I mean 70 I mean in between Nifty was coming down, as you can see here, that is Nifty was coming down, but at around here I said that further up move is possible. Okay, so you can see the time of this tweet, 12:53. So 12:53, this candle, when it was coming down, I said that further up move is possible, and because the Nifty derivatives indicator score was still increasing, and there was also some put writers coming into the action, and after that you saw that Nifty went up, and Sumit Guhan asked me that by how much the up move can happen. So according to my experience, I said that at least 220 to 30 points before the stop loss hunting on the expiry days, and sometimes it goes plus 40 to plus 50. Okay, so now as you can see that Nifty went to 17,530, okay, and then came down. So yeah, and if you go and look at the second tweet, so that was just a second here. If you go and look at the second tweet that I made here, so that so these are the updates I have given throughout the day to my members. So at 12:23 I said that the stop loss hunting can happen, and then also I said that at 12:25 you can short for 17,400 PE. So 12,000. So at 12:25. So 12:25 market was here. Okay. So at around 17,487. So 12:25 market was here, and I said that to short put to do put writing at 70,400, and then also I told that to short 17,500 for a very short time. So I mean, because to take the advantage of the stop loss hunting. Okay, so as you can see now, you can see put for very long term you can short for very short term you can short 70,000 PE. Okay, for very short term. That also I said at around 12:35. Okay, so 12:35 you can see this was the position. So 12:35, this candle. Okay, so okay, then yeah, and after that at around 1:47 I said that now you can safely short 70,550, and also I said that since the max point was at 70,450, you can also short 70,500, and you see that a market went and touched 7,450. Okay, I also said, so max point is basically like it acts like a gravity. Okay, so it acts like a magnet basically, so it attracts them. Yes, so that was all the updates today on my Twitter. So now coming to the Nifty derivatives indicator. So if you can see that in the morning, so the score went till 9 at 9:33 it went down to 27, negative 27, though Nifty was going up. So 9:33 if you can see here. So 10:30, yeah. So 9:30 and then 9:35 you can see that these are the two big green candles, but still score went to negative 27. So that was indicating that the up move was limited. Okay, and then the score became slightly positive and it went to max 24, and then again started coming down, and at 0, so when the score is 0 you can know that it's the neutral point. So the pressure of buying and selling are almost equal. So at 10:27, so 10:27 here, 10:20, 10:10, 10:15, yeah. So this candle 10:27. So here it was flat. So but score also then after that started coming down. So as you can see, when the score is 0, so Nifty is slightly flat. So that's what it means, that the pressure on both the sides are equals, and then the decision happens on which side to go. So after that, here you can see that from 10:33 and then 10:36 onwards, score started decreasing heavily. So here after this neutral point, so then scores started decreasing heavily and market tried to go up, but as you can see at 10:50 and 10:55, though market was trying to go up, you can see 10:51, 10:54, 10:57, so score was gradually decreasing. Okay, and then you can see that the score went heavily down, so minus 67. Okay, and here as you can see that Nifty was coming down. Okay, so Nifty was coming down here, and then at around 11:45 to 11:12 also it was coming down, and then but from here taking negative 67, then negative 67, and then you can see it came down to 51. So this was at around 11:54. So from 11:54 here, 11:54, so this candle, so the preparation started for going up, and the positions were started building up, and thus the score you can see here. Then from the 60s it went to 50s and 49, 40s and then 30s, and then 11, negative 11, and so on. So that was the indication. That's why I told you that the score is increasing here. So I told that the stop loss hunting can be possible. And then as you can see here at 13:33 it went to negative 10, and then at 13:36 it went to negative 34. So that was an indication again the score is decreasing, and Nifty is going to go down. So let's see what was happening at 13:30, 13:33 and 13:36. So 13:30 candle, let's see. So 13:30 candle is this. So let's go to the 5 minutes candle and see what was happening. So 13:30 candle, as you can see here. So here it was almost flat, 13:35, then 13:36. So almost flat here, but the score decreased, and then you can see that Nifty went down, and again it started recovering here, but still it went down again because of that max pin point. So that's why here I told that my members to short 500 and 550, 70,500 and 70,550 on the call side. Okay, because score was decreasing, and then finally the score decreased, and that was it. So that was the update for Nifty, and for Bank Nifty, you can see that again in the morning it was at around here. So scores dropped, and then again it started increasing. And Bank Nifty also, you can see the scores here. It also was increasing 564, 573. Okay, and then again it started decreasing, and here it reached the neutral point at around 1106. Okay, and then when it reached the neutral point, and then again the score was not increasing much, and it all started decreasing, and Nifty and Bank Nifty, they were both negative in this zone, and so that was a very sure signal to short the market on the call side. Okay, so that was how Bank Nifty was also predicting the Bank Nifty part. And then what happened was, so after 3 p.m. so all the positions went to zero. So and so that's the update. So you see that one day if you get 5%, so in this week I've shown you that how well Nifty and Bank Nifty derivatives indicators have performed on starting from Monday to Thursday. So four consecutive days it gave clear signal to the market, and my members made at least 10%. So 5% they must have made today itself, and if I considered that on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday even they made 1% each day, then also it's going to 8%. So okay, if I even consider 5%, so within a month you are getting 20% return. So that's like a huge return. Okay, so just in 5 months or lesser than 5 months, you can just double your capital. So I think you'll like this video, and if you want to take my membership, you can go to my website, the link of which is in the description below, and you can earn with our members. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.